Health Pros, give me 90 days and I'll help you build a pressure-free sales system which will add sustainable, consistent, and predictable income anywhere from 10K to 40K per month or you don't pay. So if you're an evidence-based health and wellness expert who wants to start and scale a profitable business in the online space without burning out on social media and posting 100 times a day or DMing 100 strangers who've never heard of you before and using old, outdated, sleazy sales tactics that don't work, then hang with me for the next couple of minutes and I'll walk you through how this proven process works and why it works so well, not just for me, but also for my clients, like Corey, who added 18K in 30 days, or Mike, who added 15K with 3 posts using 3 hours of time to fulfill on said offer, or Jared, who generated 100K using 3 posts a month, or Orit, who got 400 leads using Facebook ads for free, or Paula, who generated 250K per year and halved her work hours, or Aaron, who built a 75K side hustle using 1 hour of time per week. Nothing is theory or fluff or stuff that might work. In fact, as a former district fitness manager for a national company running 5 Manhattan and New Jersey gyms responsible for hiring and developing personal trainers and fitness managers, I brought in $2.1 million in cash collected, plus built 2 multiple 6-figure businesses online, both in the business to consumer and business to business space. And in my 12 years in the industry, I have helped a lot of coaches, all while being in the trenches with you, because the truth, the industry is constantly shifting and changing, which requires us to be innovative so that we can stay on top of cutting edge strategies that work. This allows us to provide the structure, systems, and strategy and support that is unmatched compared to most of the well-meaning companies out there. With that said, here's how we can provide such an outcome-driven result. We focus on 3 key pillars of performance in order to build a pressure-free, permission-based sales system that takes what it takes until it takes, where you make sales every single day, even while you're sleeping. First, we focus on your $1 million offer stack, which is a combination of free, accessible, paid, low-ticket offers and premium offers, which are designed to be so irresistible, they literally sell themselves without any old, outdated, high-pressure, sleazy sales tactics that don't work. We help you build a list of buyers. Why? Because when people pay, they pay attention, which leads to your clients actually getting results in advance, instead of the freebie tire kickers who never seem to show up to get the results anyway. Because of this, your clients are more likely to renew and upgrade to your premium offers, because statistically, it's more expensive to acquire a new client or customer than it is to renew the clients who are already getting results in advance because they're showing up and paying attention. In fact, we have seen 8 times the conversion rate than the traditional industry standards with high pressure sales environments. And the truth, people have likely in the last 60 days been in a sales environment that wasn't ideal. So they might even be hesitant to book a call with you, even though they want to have a sales conversation. And traditionally, people tell you that it's just as hard to sell high ticket than it is to sell low ticket, so you might as well sell high ticket. Well, the same could be said for free experiences, trying to sell those free experiences and get people to show up and actually get the results, than it is to sell low ticket. Because think about it, how many PDFs have you downloaded with the best of intentions to get started, but it falls to the wayside and into the PDF graveyard that you have the best of intentions to get to, but you never do? So you might as well get paid for the work that you're already doing. Then we help you implement a conversion content system, which is a combination of paid and free content designed to help you attract, connect, and convert people who have never heard of you before fast. The best part, we aren't focusing on the traditional adding a ton of value or building no like and trust and spending hours on social media posting 10 times a day, DMing a bunch of strangers. That doesn't work. This leads to overworking, burnout, and little to zero return on investment of time, energy, effort, and money. And you likely got into this business to serve and help people, and you can't pour from an empty cup. So if you don't have the resources of time, energy, effort, and money to help people, you likely won't be serving and helping for long. Think about it. Do you know who the CEO of the company you bought your device from? Chances are probably not. And if you do, did you make your buying decisions based on where they went to high school, if they have kids, and if they eat tacos on Tuesday? No, probably not. And when was the last time you stood in the middle of a restaurant demanding to build no like and trust and adding a ton of value before sitting down and ordering? So how do you do this in your online business? Lastly, we help you build a hybrid sales system where you master the art and science of selling without selling using the subconscious self-sell process, where you communicate the value of your programs and services to the right person at the right time. They sell themselves and no pressure is required. And you increase your passive income flow, make sales every day, get your time back without sacrificing client results, get paid to coach, and still help a ton of people with your free, accessible, and paid options. Again, we're so certain that this process works that we're willing to take on all the risk. Now, obviously, there are some stipulations that you need to be aware of in order to qualify for the guarantee, but more on that later. So if that's all you need to hear, then go ahead and click the link around this video to schedule your risk-free demonstration of how this process could work for your business. Again, this isn't a high-pressure sales call because, in fact, it goes against our company policy and mission to put pressure on anyone to buy anything. Plus, we literally have no incentive to sell you something that won't help you, because if it doesn't work, you don't pay. So the real question is, what is it that you have to lose when you have everything to gain? Click the button below to schedule a free demonstration from someone from my team, and we'll see you on the other side.